This Ramadan, gather with family and friends at Ghazal Lounge for a feast like no other. Break your fast with our carefully curated iftar menu featuring mouth-watering kebabs, aromatic rice dishes, and fresh, flavorful appetizers. Experience the warmth of Ramadan with an authentic dining experience where every dish is made with love and tradition. And don't forget to end your meal on a sweet note with our desserts and drinks. Join us at Ghazal Lounge this Ramadan and make every iftar a moment to remember. Visit us in Milton, Ontario. Reserve your table now.
इधर
शाह जी भाई साहब
पाजी ने अपनी खूबियां साढ़े घर च तुहाडा नाम बड़ा सब को पता है
मैं सिर्फ वीडियो बनानी है मैंने
कैसे हैं जनाब मलिक साहब आप कैसे हैं
It's a fresh one. Try. हाथ मिला दो वेरी गुड
है मेरा असिस्टेंट है जूनी
नदीम और ओहो